Kokanee addicts, this is Patrick Linkenheimer from Deadly Venom Tackle. Today we're going to talk about boat soap. This is a very important trick that I learned from a guide years ago that helps keep my hands clean, my gloves clean, and after a day of fishing, my gear clean to make sure that it does not corrode for the next day of fishing. So stay tuned and you'll see how it's done. Okay guys, this is all you need. You're going to do 1 part of water, 1 part of Joy Non-Ultra, very important, 1 part of rubbing alcohol, and then 1 teaspoon of anise extract. That's it. So here we go. So we're going to take and pour 1 cup of the Joy Non-Ultra in here. Right there. And then we're going to do 1 cup of the alcohol. And then 1 cup of water. Real simple. And the nice thing about the alcohol in there is it allows things to evaporate really, really quickly. And then we're going to put 1 teaspoon of anise extract. Not anise oil, but anise extract. That way it mixes in with the liquid products. And then we're going to go ahead and mix that up real quick. Just like so. And then you're going to pour it in to your spray bottle. And that's it. And you're all ready to hit the boat. Just spray that on your hands before you bait up, and then you're ready to go. Take care and happy fishing, guys.